Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rise and Wise, and today we'll have a look at a feature in Excel using conditional formatting by which you can highlight your search. What do you mean by highlight your search? Normally when we search data in Excel using search option, for example here or Reliance, it will just show the data in the table where it is present in the Excel. But if you use conditional formatting and type some formula in it using some absolute reference signs, it can highlight the whole data, that also by the color that you want. Now how is it possible? Let's jump into the topic and see how it works. For that, first of all, you have to choose the whole data in the table, and here one caution, actually you should not choose the headers of the data, that is the name, ticker and subsector in the present table. You have to just choose the data in the table from after the headers column till the end. Okay, and after that you have to go to the home tab, then go to the conditional formatting, press select this particular option, new rule, go to last option, that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, choose this particular option, then type equals to search. Obviously when you are searching something, you have to type this particular formula using search, then parenthesis open, then choose where you want to search. Now I have already created a search box over here, so select that box where you are going to type the data which you want to search. Select it. After selecting, you have to type comma. After comma, choose the first cell of the table after headers, that is Reliance Industries over here, choose it. After choosing, press either F4 key twice or just type the dollar symbol and the cell reference, that is the first cell reference in the table over here. The first cell reference in the table is A7 over here. You can choose any either option. You can select the cell and press F4 key twice, or directly you can put the dollar sign and select the cell reference, that is A7. Similarly, after typing or after selecting the cell and pressing F4 key twice, you have to press and symbol. Same thing you have to do with the next column, which is B7. Click on it, press F4 key twice, then same thing and symbol, C7 again. So continue till K7. Okay, so now I have completed C7 and now it is D. Press the F4 and E, F4 and F, F4 and G, F4 and H, F4 and I, F4 and J, F4 and K. Okay, F4. After pressing F4 twice for the last cell of the data, first cell of the data, close the parentheses. Next, go to the format. Now I said highlighting your data, so you want to highlight by which color? Any color of your choice. My favorite color is green over here in Excel, so I'll choose green and press OK. Press OK twice. Now here you can see the whole table is highlighted in green. Now let me search any of the share name over here in the table, HDFC. Now you can see the whole data, not only HDFC Bank Limited, but the data connected to it, that is the ticker name, the subsector, market cap, closing price, everything is highlighted. Now what is the second benefit for this? For example, in table there are two similar names. For example, I'll choose Tata over here. See, it will also highlight multiple data. By using this particular conditional formatting, it will show the multiple data at once. But in search, if you press Ctrl F, it will only highlight the data that you have typed. But using conditional formatting, you can highlight, you can search the highlighted data or the multiple data at once. If you have liked this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.